Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve the quiz for food technology programs. The question number 1 is impact forces are used for dash 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 size material and the options are A fine, B coarse, C medium and D from coarser to finest and the correct answer is option C medium. The question number 2 is white flour is made from dash 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 of a wheat kernel and the options are A bran, B germ, C endosperm and D all of these and the correct answer is option C endosperm. Question number 3 is protein content include in dash 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 quality and the options are A microbial, B sensory, C nutritional and D physical and the correct answer is option C nutritional. Question number 4 is lacquering of cans helps in dash 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 and the options are preventing cans from discoloration, B providing cheaper way of coloring the can, C providing mechanical strength and D preventing can from shock during transportation and the correct answer is preventing cans from discoloration. Question number 5 is botanical name of tea is dash 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 and the options are A Thea sinensis, B Camellia sinensis, C Theobroma cacao and D Theobroma sinensis and the correct answer is option B Camellia sinensis. Question number 6 is sulfur compounds are present in dash 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 foods and the options are A milk, B bakery product, C meat and D none of the above and the correct answer is option D none of the above. Question number 7 is dash 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 drying is the most used method for producing milk powders and the options are A wet, B spray, C heat and D air and the correct answer is option B spray. Question number 8 is in which of the following machines the particles are broken by sets of swing hammers and the options are A ball mill, B rod mill, C gyratory crushers and D hammer mills and the correct answer is option D hammer mills. Question number 9 is the viscosity of dash 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 increases with temperature and the options are A hydrogen, B water, C milk and D syrup and the correct answer is option A hydrogen. Question number 10 is which of the following is dry cleaning methods used for the cleaning of the raw materials and the options are A brushing, B flurning, C flotation and D spraying and the correct answer is option A brushing. Question number 11 is hydrogenation of edible oil is done to dash 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 and the options are A decrease the number of unsaturated bonds, B lower the melting point of oil, C increase the thermal conductivity of oil and D enable the oil to be packed in the tin container and the correct answer is A decrease the number of unsaturated bonds. Question number 12 is electromagnetic spectrum frequency in microwave heating is dash 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 and the options are A 5420 MHz, B 4250 MHz, C 2450 MHz and D 2045 MHz and the correct answer is option C 2450 MHz. Question number 13 is which one of the following is not likely to be constituent of vegetable oil and the options are A citric acid, B oleic acid, C stearic acid and D glycerols and the correct answer is option A citric acid. Question number 14 is oil or lemon or vinegar and spices applied to meat is called dash dash dash. Options are A marinating, B emulsifying, C fermenting, D coating and the correct answer is option A marinating. Question number 15 is cherry coffee is obtained by dash 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 and the options are A wet processing, B vacuum processing, C dry processing and D chemical treatment and the correct options is C dry processing. Question number 16 is the point where the solid, liquid and gas phases of a substance are in thermodynamic equilibrium is called as dash 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 and the options are A single point, B double point, C triple point and D none of the above and the correct answer is option C triple point. Question number 17 is drying by direct contact with a heated surface is called as dash 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 and the options are A. Conduction, B. Convection, C. Radiation, and D. All of the above. And the correct answer is option A. Conduction. Question number 18 is dry ice is nothing but dash dash dash, and the options are A. Solid nitrogen, B. Solid carbon dioxide, C. Liquid carbon dioxide, and D. All. And the correct answer is solid carbon dioxide. Question number 19 is which of the following microorganism is popular for spoilage in fruits and vegetables? And the options are A. Mesophile, B. Thermophile, C. Psychrophile, and D. All of the mentioned. And the correct answer is option D. All of the mentioned. Question number 20 is the process of preserving food by rapid freezing followed by dehydration under vacuum is called as dash dash dash, and the options are A. Lyophilization, B. Sterilization, C. Cold dehydration, and D. Cryopreservation. And the correct answer is lyophilization. Wish you all the best for your exam. Have a good day.